This is where it is shrink wrapped, entire bundle of 12 bottles, and of turns and overlap. Once this is done, you turn the box. This does the 4 sides, the balance 2 sides, stability of film. So 1 meter of film becomes 3 meters, and it has a auto sensing of pallet height. We are RM Engineering. We are manufacturing packaging machines, mainly shrink and stretch wrapping machines. We are making these machines in Mumbai. We are about 22 years in the line, and we specialize only in shrink and stretch wrapping machines. We make the entire range of shrink and stretch wrapping machine, right from a manual to a fully automatic machine. So I can now show you some ranges of our machine here. Automatic online shrink wrapping machine, mainly for the beverage industries. You can use packaged water and any other beverage, liquor, or this is operates at 180 bottles per minute. This is based by a servo, and it's auto connected to a labeling machine. It goes, the matrix is formed automatically. Right now we are showing a matrix of 12 which is being formed. This is the film wrapping section. And when it goes further down, it will shrink and come out. It's coming out. There. This is where it is shrink wrapped, entire bundle of 12 bottles, and this is ready to go.
What is the cost of this machine?
The cost of this machine starts from right from 8 lakhs to about 25 lakhs, depending on what is the output. Right now this is 180 bottles per minute, and this machine cost is 18 lakhs.
What is the running cost of the machine?
Running cost of the machine is about 10 to 12 units per hour. That is the running cost. It's about 120, 130 rupees a hour. This is now we move to the stretch wrapping section of our product range. So this is a stretch wrapping machine for cartons. This is how you do it. This is a semi-automatic one. You can set the number of turns and overlap. Once this is done, you turn the box. This does the 4 sides, the balance 2 sides is done again. And we give 2 roll sizes. So if you have a smaller box, you can use the roll from here. The cost of this machine is 1,26,000.
How much load this machine?
Yeah, this can take 24 inch by 18 inch by 18 inch height carton up to 35 kgs. So this is another range of our stretch wrap machines. This is called a pallet stretch wrapping machine. Now we are making pallet stretch wrapping machine standard size with product holder. Now this is with the entry of entire pallet truck, hand pallet truck can go inside the machine. Now this has 300% stretchability of film. So 1 meter of film becomes 3 meters, and it has an auto sensing of pallet height. So whatever height the pallet is, it will go up. It will start stretch wrapping.
It's totally auto sensor.
Yeah, this is a auto. Even the pallet height is sensed automatically. And we can give right from 1200 by 1200 by 1200 height to about 3.3 meter height. And load right from 500 kgs to 3 tons. Yeah, so this is an entire pallet stretch wrapping machine. Then we also give the robo pallet wrapping system, where you can take the machine to the product instead of the product coming to the machine.
Okay.
So this is a joint venture with the Italian company Itality Pack. So we represent them exclusively in India.
How this is going?
Yeah, see, this is going by motor, it goes up. Now it will sense the pallet height. This senses the height of the pallet, and then it will start coming down. And these are all settable. Yeah, this is a sensor. So it will stop at the pallet height, and then it will start coming down. Here you can set the parameters of the stretching, the number of turns, how much of overlap you want. All this is all sensible. You can adjust them and set it, settable. All our machines you can use 24/7, 365 days. They are built to last.
If anyone want to contact you, how they can?
Sorry?
If anyone want to contact you,
Ah,
how they reach you?
Yeah, so I can I can share my email ID. So that's info@aaremengg.com. You can reach us at that, or you can visit our website www.aaremengg.com. So there you can also send your query and we can contact you. So you can also get our contact details from For Udyog portal. They will be happy to do it.